So Ryan, what would you say to the students?
About what?
Well, your Bobcat experience. Like, what would be your message if you were if you were going through this and you were putting together a competition? What would be your message?
How great it is to get to know us, mostly.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
well,
that would be a
that's
good
true.
message.
Because we are awesome.
What was your Bobcat experience? What sums up your Bobcat experience? Maybe the Bagel Street Deli?
Maybe.
That's not really Bobcat, that's
No.
Athens, but
But I think you can include Athens. I mean,
that's
they're
fair.
still-
Yeah, it's pretty.
You want to
Trees,
talk about the whole big picture?
Jeff Hill, Mort
How pretty
Hill.
this place is.
Yeah, that could be it too.
How you need to work outside the classroom, get to know your faculty, how you need to get engaged on campus.
Just how much you've changed, how many good friends you have on campus, how Bobcats take care of each other, the family.
How when you graduate from this place that you're going to cry because you're going to miss it.
How many bricks were missing this spring?
There were a lot.
A lot. I tripped several times. Not
I
because
lost
of the
a couple
bricks,
of
just in
heels.
general, because I
Yes.
trip a lot.
Because people love this place so much that they want to take a piece of it with them.
What are you going to do with that brick?
Yeah, really? Doorstop?
It's a big, heavy brick. You're going to move that around the rest of your life?
I hope they don't have to take it on a plane.
That's how much Bobcats love Ohio University. You know this. You're one. Why are you taking the bricks?
So
Because
share
it's awesome. Share the bricks.
Not share the bricks.
No.
Share your experience.
Share the brick too.
Okay, well you can share the brick.
Because if it's a doorstop, maybe other people benefit from that.
Give it to another Ohio University student. That way we can stop losing them.
That's true. We're going
Pass
to run
down
out
your
of
brick.
bricks at some point. We'll have plenty of bricks, but not the ones that say Athens Block on them.
Yes.
We're going to run out of those.
That would make me sad.
There aren't that many of those left. There's just holes where they used to be. Because you took the bricks.
Stop
Attaboy.
stealing the bricks.
This isn't all about the bricks. How did we get on the bricks anyway?
Yeah, this is public service announcement.
We better lock it down on the bricks. The bricks, it's all good with the bricks. What's the Bobcat experience mean to you? Have fun with it.